When the sun forgot to rise, I painted stars inside my eyes. Mama said the dark will pass, but the light left far too fast. I held her hand, but she let go. The sky was red, the streets were cold. I sang to keep the monsters low. In dreams I'm not alone. They said the world would start again, but I can't find the morning then. I whisper names into the rain and hope they hear my song again. When the shadows start to creep,